A lat tricep insertion exercise is a great way to open up this little joint in here between the tricep and the lat, so this little pocket in here often gets bound down, especially like if you're, well, like most of us who keep their arms down rather than reaching up and overhead. So to do the exercise, you're going to need a weight of some sort, barbell or a dumbbell, something with some level of resistance. Beginners obviously stay pretty light. This one is, or can be, pretty aggressive if you push it hard enough. So I'll show you with a barbell, because that's what I've got here. But yeah, feel free to use a dumbbell. So the setup is this: you're going to keep your hands at about shoulder width on the bar. If you're using a dumbbell, then just grab the ends of the dumbbell. You're going to reach behind and pull the hands down towards the shoulder blades. And then for this one, I like to do it with a little bit of pulse. If you want to start without the pulse and just feel the tension, totally okay. But as you progress, then you can increase the pulse effect. It looks like this. So the beginner version, you're going to be on your knees. You're going to feel the stretch down underneath your armpit, and then you're going to bring the barbell down to your shoulder blades, or as far as it goes. Ideally, you want to tuck your pelvis, not stick it up in the air like I was, and then just do these little pulses here. Without going up past vertical, you just need the little pulsing. And if you're feeling like you're pretty advanced, you can do it up on your toes. So pulse, 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 pulse. That is the lat tri insertion.